Hey guys, welcome to Blue Collection. For our Blu-ray update of the week, today I'm going to show you Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides in 3D. This is a 5-disc combo pack with Blu-ray 3D, Blu-ray of the movie, Blu-ray special features, DVD of the movie, and digital copy. And I decided to get this from Best Buy because they are promising another disc inside, which makes it a 6-disc collection. Includes exclusive Best Buy bonus disc in Blu-ray with 4 featurettes. Comes with a lenticular slipcover. Really nice 3D lenticular cover. So the back is exactly the same. It is region free, it says right there ABC. So let's open this so I can show you the design inside. Here's the code for your digital copy and movie rewards. So let's check it out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is true. This is probably the Best Buy one that says exclusive bonus disc. Here we have Organizing and Mutiny, Two Jacks, Sculpting Mermaids, Johnny and Judy, and The Wild Boar, region free, Blu-ray. Here we have the 3D, it says they're region free. Here we have the Blu-ray special features, region free. This is the regular Blu-ray, also region free. Here we have the DVD of the movie, region 1, and this is the digital copy. Let me show you the flyers that come inside here. This is the regular 3D flyer that comes in all of them. And here we have The Search is Over. He's just talking about Lego. Cars 2 in Blu-ray 3D for November 1st. Movie Club. And get $5 off instantly when you buy either one of the first 3 movies. So let me give you a close-up now of the special features. All discs are region free and comes with English as Master Audio 7.1 as well as French and Spanish DTS HD High Resolution 7.1 and also French and Spanish in Dolby Digital 5.1. Just so you know, Disney is giving $5 off the purchase of this movie. All you gotta do is go to Disney Movie Rewards and print the coupon. I'm gonna put the instructions in the description of this video. So Best Buy is selling this for $22 with the Disney coupon. Just bring the $7.50 from your Steelbook and you're only gonna pay $14.50, which is a nice deal for a 6 discs 3D Blu-ray box set. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Also click here if you want to see the unboxing for this Steelbook. Thanks and see you next time.